Kazakhstan represented in our blue corner here, taking on Tajikistan in the red. In our flyweight division here, the quarterfinals. Getting to the business end of the day now. Nice little early scramble, beautiful inside leg kick. But a flurry. Back and forth. Strikes to the midsection. Oh, a nice entry there, catches the leg, but lifts up, grabs the neck. This was a beautiful entry, if so. Arming guillotine. Has some pressure on the neck, strains out those legs to create some extra tension through the midsection. Has that underneath the chin as well. The Kazakhstani fighter trying to find the angle to finish this. Gets a little bit of a turn there. Good posture though from Tajikistan. Needs to be careful, doesn't blow his arms out with his submission attempt. Seems to be tight, seems to be under the chin. But happy to sit there and throw body shots, so can't be in too much discomfort. Managed to break down the posture though, this could be better. Interesting how you would score that. Guillotine attempt, submission attempt, tight underneath the chin. But our Kazakhstani fighter seemed not be able to finish, and Tajikistan seemed happy to sit in the guard and throw shots to the body. So both, you know, being offensive, one causing damage and the other one attempting the submission finish. So it could be scored either way. And representing the blue corner, taking on Tajikistan in the red. Oi, big shot, nice right hand from Tajikistan to the body. Happy to trade. Oi, nice outside root takedown, but gets reversed. Oi, spinning back kick to the body. Landed flush too. Good timing. But they're still happy to stand and trade. Oh, low kick lands. And again. Nice scramble to the back there though from Kazakhstan, catching the leg. And ends up on the back. Has both hooks in, big shots down to the shoulder. Needs to be careful here, can't quite see if this submission attempt is flush. Seems to be going for it though. Kazakhstan here searching for the finish. Doesn't quite have that angle and manages to escape. Battle of the stands. Kazakhstan in the blue, Tajikistan in the red. Tajikistan on top right now. I love how the 10-second clacker always gives everyone a little bit extra energy. Trying to switch up for that armbar. This tight attempt, but ran out of time. Close battle between Kazakhstan and Tajikistan. Happy to swing and trade in the center as they have been this entire fight. Aggressive body shots from both. Switch kick to the midsection. Away, nice left hand, lands to the midsection, forces the mouthpiece out from the exhale. Solid shot landed there. An inside leg kick again. Tries to snatch it, does Kazakhstan in on the double. Gives up the neck though. Kazakhstan leaping for this guillotine attempt. Gets thrown down to the ground. Good head position from the Tajikistani. Has good control here. Wrist grab around the left side. It's just holding his opponent in place and allows him to throw to the body. This all came off of Kazakhstan making the decision to jump guard for a guillotine. Needs to try and open it up now and look for some submissions off his back. Only 10 seconds to go. Looks for that TP. Very low percentage finish this. TP to the body, but ends out the round that way. Very close fight. Hard to guess who's taking it. And moves on through to our semi-finals.